Stay here, Des.
My hurt's about to go away.
Make her stay.
Stay. Stay.
Turn her around if you have to.
Is the horse okay too, Mama?
Mm-hmm. Make her stay here.
You did hurt me.
I know, but you're alright. Oh, move her over. She's going to get in the video.
Is she in the video?
Yep, move her over here behind me. There you go. Yeah.
Hi, Tim.
Alright.
Woohoo!
You're a winner.
Good job, sis.
Hey, wave at your mommy. Wave at her.
Wave at me.
Alright, good job, cowgirl. You did good.
Wave at me. Wave.
Wave. You know what wave means?
Wave.
Well.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.